Alright, go.
Imagine you're at Six Flags and want to ride the Sky Screamer, a circular motion ride that's like swings from 5th grade recess, except without the workout. You're waiting in line and the question pops in your head like asking why is the sky blue? It sounds dumb, but actually has a deeper meaning. So you wonder what actually keeps this ride going in a circle? Well, I'm here to answer that question. First, let's talk about the type of force that keeps the ride going in a circle. This force is called centripetal force. The centripetal force is tension and is caused by the cable that holds the swings up in that ride. If we didn't have tension, well, there would be a lot of deaths and suing. Centripetal force is necessary because Newton's first law states that a moving object will stay in a straight line unless the force acts upon it. To keep the object from going straight, there must be a centripetal force to keep it in that circular motion, or else the ride would be very boring. But then you being curious like a child asking, are we there yet on a trip, you ask, is the centripetal force always the same? Although curiosity killed the cat, you're in luck. The centripetal force isn't always the same because of 3 main factors that can affect it. 1, if the ride was bigger, 2, if the velocity/ride was faster, and 3, if the radius was smaller, aka strings to swings were smaller. This would cause the centripetal force to be bigger to go in that circular motion. I know this because the equation for centripetal force is F equals velocity squared divided by radius. Because mass and velocity are on top of the equation, they make force bigger when they're bigger. Because radius is on the bottom, it makes force smaller when it is bigger. Because velocity is squared changing, it makes a bigger impact on the force. Now, since curiosity killed the cat, you can thank me because satisfaction brought it back. Now that I've answered this question, you want to know more. But I'm running out of patience, so I let you ask one more. You ask, what happens to the swings when centripetal force is removed? Although that's a good question, I'm not going to give you credit for it. However, when the ride stops spinning in a circle, the swing will travel in a straight line in the direction it was going. The path that the swing travels on will be perpendicular to the radius of the circle that it's traveling. This path is called the tangent line. Now the line comes to an end as it's your turn to go in the Sky Screamer. I'm glad I could answer these questions of yours. I hope you understood as I understood the topic. Have fun on the ride and make sure not to scream. Thank you.